golden toasted buns, juicy beef, melted cheddar. This is burger perfection. Let's start with the burger sauce. Add the light mayo, ketchup, and yellow mustard to a bowl. Mix in the chopped dill pickles, white vinegar, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Season with smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. Then stir everything together until smooth. Set the sauce aside while we prepare the rest. Cook the chopped smoked bacon until it starts to crisp. Then add the sliced brown onion and cook until it's soft and lightly caramelized. While that's cooking, toast the brioche buns, spread a generous layer of the burger sauce, top the bottom buns with the warm bacon and onion mixture. Add fresh lettuce and thick slices of tomato to the top buns. Now for the star of the show. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions. Season with salt and pepper. Then gently press each one into a thick burger patty as it cooks. Top each patty with 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Add a splash of water to the pan. Cover and let the cheese melt into every corner. Save this recipe for your next burger night, and I'll see you in the next one.